From Adarsh Vidya Kendra. So today the Bonifon, very thank you so much to the Bonifon for making this workshop for us. It's literally like very learnful thing. Today I just know what is rocket science. I learned many things from it. I learned it in a practical form and a theoretical form, and both those things are like very interesting, and I learned a lot from those things. And the practical thing was literally so too much fun and very understanding and easy to learn. In future, maybe I would be like go in a rocket science professional. It helped me very lot to learn today. I very enjoyed this workshop. Thank you so much.